So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba mas mapaprotektahan ang ating Messenger account or yung ating Facebook account. But first, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start! So ayan guys, for today's video, make sure na updated yung Messenger app na gagamitin natin. So kung updated na yan guys, i-open na natin yung ating Messenger app or yung ating Messenger account. So dito guys, mula sa chat list, ang gagawin nyo lang is i-tap nyo lang yung menu na nandun sa my lower right side. And then piliin natin dito guys sa menu is yung settings. And then after nyan guys, i-scroll up lang natin. And tigil tayo dito sa preferences. So ang gagawin nyo lang, ang itatap nyo dito is yung privacy and safety. So ayan guys, kung updated na yung inyong Messenger app, may lalabas dito sa taas na protect your account. So kung hindi pa ninyo nakikita to or ngayon nyo lang siya nakita, tingnan nyo yung inyong privacy and safety. And kung nandito na kayo guys, itap nyo lang dito yung start para ma-secure and maprotektahan yung ating account. So kung makikita nyo guys is naka-all set na dito yung aking Messenger account. So ibig sabihin secure na siya and double na yung security features ng aking account dito sa Messenger. So, dapat guys is lahat yan is may check, contact info, password, and then yung safe website browsing. So, ang gagawin nyo lang, ito-tap nyo yan para mabago nyo or ma-update nyo yung inyong contact information. And then dito yung password is kailangan na-update nyo pa rin para hindi madaling ma-hack. And dito guys, kailangan naka-turn on lang yung safe browsing website natin. So, kung hindi pa ninyo nasa-set yan guys, dito nyo lang siya pwedeng iset. And kapag ganito yung nakalagay, isabihin, okay na siya and masecure na yung ating Messenger. So, tap lang natin yung done. And ayun lang guys, ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga ba mas mapaprotektahan ang ating Messenger account. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!